Welcome to My Career for Co-op students. In this video, we'll show you how to apply for jobs. Before you can apply to a co-op job, you'll need to upload your resume, cover letter, and if required, an achievement summary to My Career. To do this, first click on Dashboard, then click on your Co-op tab, and finally click on My Documents. From here, you'll want to click on Upload Documents. Follow the instructions on your screen by giving your document a name, title, and selecting your file before uploading the document. Please remember to load documents that are unique to each employer and job posting. Make sure you give your documents a unique name that references the position, title, company, and your name, and ensure they're in PDF format prior to uploading. Don't use the same resume and cover letter for every application, or include punctuation and spaces in your document name. Now that you've uploaded your documents and learned how to search for co-op jobs for your program, let's apply for a job. You can apply for a job by clicking on the job title and clicking the Apply button found here, where you can select from the application packages that you've already created and click on Apply. Or you can create a new application package here by uploading the required documents. Make sure to name your application package with your name, position title, and the name of the organization. Select the documents you want to send. Click on Create Package. A new package will be created. Select the package by clicking on Apply. Be sure to read the requirements for the co-op jobs you're applying to. Employers often post the same job to multiple co-op programs, so not all postings produced by your program search will necessarily be suitable to your program. If you have questions about a job posting, please contact your co-op advisor. We encourage employers to have students apply using My Career. However, some employers may ask you to apply by sending your application directly to their email. Be sure to read the job postings carefully. Take note of the application documents required and the application deadline. Now that you've started applying for jobs, you'll need to check your Conestoga Outlook email and My Career every day. Co-op job-related emails will not be sent through eConestoga. If you're selected for an interview, the co-op office will email you and instruct you to log into My Career and confirm your attendance by choosing a date and time. You can also view the jobs after the postings have been closed and print the posting, as well as the application package you created for that particular job. The posting will be found in the Applied To tab, and you can print it by clicking on the posting and selecting the print option. The package can be found under My Documents tab with the specific name that you've given the package. If you need more help with My Career, check out the other videos in the series.